Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I thought I already did an intro for this video, but I guess I didn't. Can't find it in my memory card. But yeah, we're down here at my mate's. You guys already know him. He did my downpipe a couple of months back, I would say. And yeah, now we're back here again because today we are going to change my front plate number and my rear ones. We're gonna install Magna plates. If you guys don't know what Magna plates are, well, stay tuned. Basically, we're gonna remove the whole bumper and the front flint, because as you can see, it looks really ugly when I got it done first time. Got all this corrosion here that needs to go. And yeah, I'll give you an example. Actually, in his 140i, it's over here. It's magnetic, so you can just pull it off, right? There you go, you see? And then look, it has no holes. Well, there is holes, but it looks so much nicer. I think cars with magnet base. And look, that's the place in the back there. So yeah, can't wait to get it done on mine. Also ordered like similar to his plate, which is the 3D gel. I think it looks so much better than standard. And yeah, just gotta wait for him to get it done really. You know, leave it to the professionals. But yeah, Magna. Yeah, it's pretty sick. I like that. Oh yeah, guys, we're also gonna remove my fake wing mirrors. These were bought from AliExpress. It was a carbon one, but as you can see, not very carbon like. It's starting to peel, and it's actually worse on the driver's side. I'll swing around and just show you quickly. There you go, you see. So yeah, we're gonna install my original M Performance carbon ones, which I had originally in the car. I just wanted to try that M3 sort of style. Say I have them. There we go. There we are. Original from BMW, so the proper rounded off carbon. Yeah, I think I'm going out of the those style ones now. Just keep it clean and keep it just OG. You know what I'm saying? Just OG. Yeah, to look good, because then it won't fade like how those ones are. There you go.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, here we go. Magna magnets plates installed. Go on the front bumper. Ooh, looks really sick. Let's test it out. Yeah, on the side. Hey, how are you? Alright. There you go. Looks good. 140i with my plates on. Oh, lovely. Hey. Yeah. Here's the bumper, guys. Just to let you know, it took quite a while to take off because all the bolts. All the holes there that will need to be covered. Maybe if I get to respray it, hopefully this will cover just enough. I don't need to. Look at them bad boys. Yeah, mate. Peeling off time. Oh, fresh. Nice.
24 hours later.
Fine, mate. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Fast forward 2 days later, he's back, taking more of my money. I mean, installing more stuff. So rear plate's about to go on now. No pressure. Yeah, that looks about lined up. Brought down his 101 M2 CS GTS GT4 competition long reach blue on N55 swap. Yeah, crashed his 140, now got an M2. Just messing, guys. I'll hit the link for his IG if you guys want to follow that 101 M2 OG comp wrapped by Yanimais. Looks good. Yeah, that's it. Peel off, peel off. Ooh. Alright guys, here we go, checking out the 101 M2 competition. Well, it's originally an OG with the M2 badge. As you can see in the previous vlog, he has an M140i stage 2, and it's also a stage 2 M2 OG. Don't let the badge fool you. It does say comp, but it's definitely an OG. Finish in, it's not even Long Beach blue, I think it's in Porsche color. I don't remember the name, but yeah, it looks stunning. It's on HRE wheels. These were probably like 10k. Not entirely sure. I'll ask him. But, yeah, if you guys want to follow, M2 5 UPS, I call it M2 subs. There we go. You guys can see as well, split airbag. Got the gauges there in the middle, and it's on starlights. Pretty awesome. I always wanted to get starlights on mine, but I'm not really sure because my one has a sunroof, but he said he can put it on a sunroof cover. Yeah, some M Performance pedals there, and it's got the original dials. The funny thing is, sitting in an OG like this, I actually prefer the dials than the LCI. If you guys are not too sure, my one has the like backlit, so it looks like semi-digital. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Always nice to sit in an M2, even though I've got an M2, just different. And CS GTS hood there. It's got the comp front, just different to mine. Kidney grills are joints, and front splitter. Yeah, even to re-intake. Must sound nice. It's also stage 2 by the way, so hopefully we get to hear it later. Yeah, it's there. It's there. It's there. Nice color. You know, man. Porsche Shark Blue. Good starlights as well. Yeah, right. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you for watching. I just want to say a massive shout out to this guy again. What is it? JW Customs? Yeah, something like that. Hit him up if you need some car customization needs or servicing. He just did mine today, minor service. So we got the K&N filter, oil change, and yeah, he put the mirror caps, the original, the carbon back on, which I think looks so much better than my what was it? I don't know, some fake brand I bought like time back, which started fading, and yeah. So yeah, we're just by the castle here, just enjoying the 2 cars.
Yeah, we're by your house.
Yeah, by my house, state. Yeah, so by the way, this is what it looks like with Magna plates. So it looks so much more nicer in my opinion. I'm sure you guys would agree with me. No number, no front plates. I'm gonna just walk over here. Oh, I can't get over this wrap, guys. Wrap by Yanni Mice. Porsche blue. It's proper good in the rear mirror as well. HRE wheels. Noise. Ah. Yeah, so this is the rear. I'm gonna show you guys quickly. This is the rear looks like with Magnas on. So with the 3D gel plates. So yeah, you guys are wondering what the difference are. Not really fair anymore, but yeah, it just looks so much nicer, more pronounced. So yeah guys, end the video there. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.